Okay, hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I just unboxed the Tomica Ferrari 412, and yeah, it was really nice. So if you want to see the video, click up there, somewhere in the right corner. There will be a link to the video. And if you guys want to see me suffering putting the mirror onto the 412 and also the number plate, do subscribe because I'm going to live stream all the suffering to put the mirror on this magnificent beast. Look at that, 412, man. Oh my god, just a bloody moment when I said I dropped it. Okay, it's fine. So yeah, and click up there to see the video that I unboxed and also subscribe. Anyway, today we have the new haul of Tomica. So this is the Lotus Esprit in James Bond, obviously. The James Bond car. It's only have a 4-cylinder though, a 4-cylinder engine. So later model it have a 3.5. Is it 3.5 liter V8? I think so. Yeah, it's 3.5 liter V8. It's quite a bonker car, really bonkers. This one is the 4-cylinder, the first Esprit, basically the Esprit 1. The Esprit 2, I really want Tomica to make the Esprit 2, but yeah, I mean the 1 is also very cool. And obviously the Super Carry, I didn't get the Land Cruiser because the scalper, fucking scalper, take it all. And I mean the Suzuki Carry is really cool. I just love the K-Truck in general. So let's unbox them today. So let's start with the Carry, shall we? And yeah, I got a discount on the Carry and the Esprit actually, because I use coupon. Basically it's quite a new one. I wish the Carry can open something. Unfortunately the direction of Tomica is heading now is no opening for normal Tomica anymore. Used to have it. It used to open like I don't know, boot and bonnet or doors or something, but now only premium can open stuff. So ooh, okay, it's too big. What the hell? The scale is too big. What scale is this? 155. Bloody hell, that's too big. I would I just wish they do 164 though. That's the thing. Anyway, it's in sort of like a not really military green, but it looks sort of like that. Damn, it does look very quality. This, the bed is separate plastic, so you can see the color is not quite matching well, but it's fine. This is the problem with most Tomica of this sort of thing. They sort of not matching the color because it's plastic and this is metal. The paint is metallic, really nice paint, really nice dark green paint, and it has suspension. It's also yeah, just that spare tire here. Oh, you can open here. Oh damn. Well, not really. Not really. You have this thing in the middle. Yeah, if I had a bloody screwdriver, triangle screwdriver at my home, I can open it. At my home in Vietnam, obviously. Damn, the interior, no, nothing in the interior. This is the sleep cap, I believe. It's a sleep cap, or I don't know what they call, but in truck term, I think it's called the sleep cap because it have the, yeah, the thing. It have the extended thing. I would like it to be, sorry, I'm doing the video right now. I would like to, yeah, you wanna join the video? Say hello to the,
Hello everyone.
yep. So that's my friend. Anyway, this is the sleep cap. So it has the extra bit in the back. The normal one only have until the door. I love the normal one. I don't like the sleep cap. It look a bit too, you know, front heavy. It look a bit too, yeah, anyway. It has very firm suspension, very firm. Very firm suspension. Anyway, the Esprit. So the James Bond car, basically. This is the James Bond car. This is so cool, and this is the new lineup for premium. It's the new lineup for premium, so they extended it from 40, I believe, 40 to 40, no, 40 to 50, I think, 40 to 50. They extended the premium line from 40 cars to 50 cars. So this is number 45. Yep, we are out. Make sure, oh wait, I'm gonna put this in. Yes, and here we are. So, ooh, damn, it does look cool. It has pop-up headlight and suspension. Damn, it looks damn cool, man. Oh, so it's very white. It's very white. So this is sort of like a beige white, and that is like a pearl white or something. Yep. It has pop-up though. I love pop-up headlight car, man. Look at the wheels too. The suspension travel is not a lot, obviously. It's a sports car. Let's pop the headlights up. Oh, oh, what the hell? You cannot pop it fully up though. You cannot pop it fully up. I'm confused right now. Is it a glitch or something? Is it a manufacturer glitch or something? Look, I cannot fully pop it up. Look, it cannot stay fully. Oh, fucking hell. I only can pop it halfway. What the hell? Tomica, what are you doing? This is too tight, I think. That's the problem. That's the bloody problem. Oh my god. Nah, bro. I cannot believe this. I cannot. Look, it's just not staying up. Oh, oh. It's very hard to stay up. Anyway. Yeah, that's a shame, bro. This is a great die casting. That's so... Oh, that's so annoying. Okay. Okay, I sort of get it up now. This is the first batch of the cars, so that's why the pop-up headlight sort of like not working. So yeah, you sort of like a gamble to buy like a first batch of Tomica cars. First, when it first, like, how can I say, when it first released, there's a lot of glitch around, and there might be some faulty Tomica, and you sort of have to pick the car that is not faulty. This is a faulty example. The pop-up headlight cannot stay up. Oh, it can now for some reason. It fixed itself. Anyway, it's a great looking one. And the black line running down the side here. It looks so cool, man. Rear lights is clear part, by the way. It's not paint. Okay, that one is a clear part, and it look a bit weird. The eye sort of look a bit weird. Okay, this is the bottom, 161 scale. Yeah, interior you cannot really see much, but yeah, sort of in there. The wheels, I love the wheels. I love the design of this wheel. Honestly, it looks so cool. It looks so 80s. Esprit. It's James Bond car, man. James Bond car. Look at that. Very short travel suspension. Okay, anyway, it is the new haul. I'm missing the Land Cruiser. Because the scalper, obviously. They take all my Land Cruiser. So that's it basically. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in next video. Goodbye. Be sure to subscribe.